In this video, we will explore the epic upgrade that the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings to the table, from its cutting-edge hardware to its revolutionary software and enhanced user experience. 1. Design and display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a stunning design with a sleek and premium feel. The device features a robust build, incorporating durable materials that enhance its longevity. The bezel-less, edge-to-edge 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display offers an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The adaptive refresh rate technology further improves battery efficiency by dynamically adjusting the refresh rate based on the content being displayed. 2. Performance and power. Samsung has always been at the forefront of performance optimization. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, delivering exceptional processing power and graphics capabilities. With up to 16 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes seamless and efficient. Gamers will rejoice with the enhanced gaming mode, which ensures smooth gameplay and reduced latency, elevating the overall experience. 3. Camera excellence. Samsung's camera technology has long been a standout feature, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes it to another level. Equipped with a quad-camera setup, including a 108 EMP main sensor, a 48 EMP ultra-wide lens, a 10x periscope telephoto lens, and a depth sensor, users can capture stunning images and 8K videos with unrivaled clarity and detail. Advanced computational photography and AI enhancements further refine the photography experience. 4. Battery and charging. A powerful device requires an equally powerful battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a high-capacity battery that ensures all-day usage on a single charge. Additionally, it supports fast-charging technology, which can provide several hours of use with just a few minutes of charging. Moreover, it introduces a revolutionary solar charging back panel, allowing users to harness solar energy to recharge their devices on the go. 5. Software and user experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on the latest version of Samsung's One UI, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. The interface is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their smartphones to their preferences. Advanced features such as enhanced multi-window support, seamless integration with other Samsung devices through SmartThings, and an AI-driven virtual assistant elevate the overall user experience. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is undeniably an epic upgrade, offering cutting-edge technology, top-notch performance, and a refined user experience. With its innovative features, superior camera capabilities, and sustainable initiatives, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands as a testament to Samsung's dedication to excellence in the smartphone industry. As users embrace this remarkable device, it sets a new standard for what a flagship smartphone should be.